So see, what you need to understand is when you are doing a question like this. So let us start from absolute basic. So let us assume we take 100 gram of, let us say we take 100 gram of, total sample. Now,
Okay.
in that 100 gram of total sample, 99.6 gram would be 40 argon, 0.063 gram would be 38 argon, and 0.337 gram would be 36 argon. Are we clear about this?
Yeah.
Now, there are two ways of looking at this data, and then you need to tell me whether you understand this or not. I
Okay.
can write the data like this, or what I can do is I can write the data like this also. If I take 1 gram of sample, then the distribution would be 0.996 gram, uh, 0.00063 gram, and 0.00337 gram. Is it making sense?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, how do we do this question is, okay. Now, see, one way is that I write it as 99.6 into 40 plus 0.063 into 38 plus 0.337 into 36 whole upon 100, or I write this as 99.6% of 40 plus 0.063 percentage into 38 plus 0.337%, 36 whole upon 1. Is it making sense or not?
Yeah.
And if you look closely enough, as a matter of fact, mathematically also they are making sense, because this 100, I can give this 100 to, I can give this 100 to all three of them independently. Is it making sense?
Yes.
Which is same as writing this. Are we clear till here?
Yeah.
So now all that we need to do is we need to calculate either one of these, either this or we need to calculate this. So I will rewrite this so that my when I'm doing calculation I don't make a mistake. So 0.00063 into 38 plus 0.0037 into 36. So, and see, the important thing about these stoichiometry calculation would be when you are doing the library work, the lab work, then these will help you a lot. Have you understood?
Okay. Yeah.
See, otherwise, when you are doing lab work, this won't make sense. And I don't know much about medical, but for example, in engineering, in first year of engineering, you'll have to do a lot of lab work which requires these stoichiometry calculation. So overall, what I'm trying to tell you is that this first chapter of chemistry would help you in your lab work a lot. Similarly for physics, the first chapter of physics will help you a lot in your lab work. Is it making sense now?
Yeah.
So 38.99714. 38.99714. 9974, and as we had discussed, this is 36, this is 40. Your weighted average is more toward this side because it is 38.9974. Is it making sense?
Yeah.
So 39.948. Uh, Same, almost the same answer.
Yeah.
Are we clear?
Yeah.
So, one second. So if you see how the question is done is 0.337 upon 100, 0.063 upon 100, 99.6 upon 100. Or what you could have done was you could have written this in terms of percent, percent, percent. This would have been the same effect. Is it making sense?
Yeah.
Okay, nice.